Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've got Anaconda installed and updated. Now start Jupyter. Open Anaconda Navigator, then click the Jupyter Notebook launch button, or open a terminal and run Jupyter Notebook. This opens a browser showing your home directory. Navigate to the folder where you want files stored. Once done, click New right arrow Python 3 to create a notebook. Make sure kernels match your Python environment so packages import correctly. This avoids issues later when running cells. You'll alternate between writing code and documenting with markdown cells. Use headings and inline code for clarity. Execute cells with Shift plus Enter and monitor output in the cell below. Use Run All to execute the whole notebook in order. If imports fail or state gets messy, restart the kernel and run cells from the top to recreate state. Make sure to save frequently and export to IPIN or HTML when sharing, so collaborators reproduce your exact outputs and narrative. Before closing, stop running kernels via the notebook dashboard or close tabs and shut down from Navigator to free memory. Export or save a copy for sharing and commit the IPIN to version control if needed. If imports fail, install packages into the active Conda environment and restart the kernel. A common tip: if the notebook becomes unresponsive, restart the kernel, clear outputs, and run cells sequentially. This usually reveals the specific cell causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.